In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Monday.com. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Monday.com account and that you have the right permissions to install apps in your workspace. If you're not an admin, you may need to ask someone on your team who is. Start on your main Monday.com home screen. This is your usual starting point where you see your workspace, boards, and recent activity. From here, we're going to head over to the Monday.com marketplace, which is where you can find apps and integrations that extend what your boards can do. Look for the option that opens the apps marketplace. Depending on your layout, this might appear as an apps or marketplace button in the left-hand menu or in the top bar. Go ahead and click that to open the marketplace. Once the marketplace loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search field and type WhatsApp. This helps filter the apps so you don't have to scroll through everything. You're looking for the app that allows you to send, receive, and automate WhatsApp messages directly from your Monday.com board. When you see that listing, select it to open the app's details page. Here, you can review what the app does, see screenshots, and check any usage notes. When you're ready, click the Install App button. Monday.com will now guide you through a short installation flow. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the installation. Click Install to proceed. At this point, Monday.com might show you which workspace or boards the app will have access to. Choose the option to add the app to your existing workspace so you can start using the new capabilities with your current boards. Then, click Add App to finalize adding it to that location. Once the app is installed in your workspace, you'll see an option to connect it with your Monday.com account. Click Connect with Monday.com. A permissions window will open, showing what the integration can do. Review that, and then click Authorize to grant access. After authorization, you'll see an option to connect WhatsApp. Click Connect WhatsApp and follow the prompts to configure your WhatsApp account within the app's setup. This may involve confirming your number and completing any required settings from the integration provider. When you finish that configuration, your WhatsApp integration with Monday.com is fully set up, and you're ready to start sending, receiving, and automating WhatsApp messages directly from your boards.